Father, Son, and Spirit, that's who I call G-O-D. I used to be a blind man until you let me see that who the sun sets free, you said is truly free indeed. So let it scream, let it shout, let them know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving, don't leave a single doubt that today is the day that the Lord has created. Why would I sit around just waiting? Let's have a celebration.